Welcome to new viddy. Well guys, I got really bad news for you. I got a huge problem. Well, I was extremely busy, so I really couldn't upload anymore or edit or something because I was very busy. And the one problem I got now is my engine blew up. Well, lately I've been riding this year, but suddenly my engine began to lose power from time to time, but sometimes pulled really good, so I thought it's just some electrical problem or fuel delivery or something, but today is June 16th and I took off my exhaust and I seen what's the problem. Well, there is some scoring on my piston and one of two piston rings broke, and basically my engine doesn't have any power, and when I give it throttle it rattles a lot, and rattle means my crank bearings are broken. Well, that's a very bad news because repair is very expensive, and basically it's gonna take me some time to earn the money and to fix the engine, but I could use that money for driving school to get a license so I could get a bigger bike, because with B or car license I can't ride bigger than 50cc. Well, I've been thinking about hitting the driving school for a license, which is bike license in Europe, but my parents don't allow me to go to driving school because they think if I sit on a bike that I'm gonna die. Well, this engine problem is basically because of them, because if I hit the driving school 2 years ago, this scoot wouldn't take so much torture and the engine could ride about 40-50,000 kilometers, and like this it died on 25,000. And basically that problem was very avoidable, but now it's over. I need to spend double the money. I need to spend the money I could use for driving school to fix the scoot, and later I need to take a credit from my bank and I need to hit driving school. So basically I need double the money. I don't want something exclusive to ride. I need just a 250 so I could go to longer rides and don't be scared about is it engine gonna die or is it gonna survive. Well, lately I noticed my engine began to lose power from time to time, and lately on my last long ride I noticed it's about to die because I took a very long ride. I took a ride from Gradac to Živogorje, which is 20 kilometers. I turned around and I'd ridden 60 kilometers to my home, which is basically 80 kilometers without stop or without cooling down the engine. So when I came home it idled for about a minute or two, and I shut it down. And tomorrow when I tried to start, I couldn't start without throttle anymore. And before, if I tried to start the engine with any throttle, it would flood the chamber and basically it wouldn't start. And like this, it needed a half of throttle to start. I had to do 2 turns on idle screw just to keep it idling, and basically it lost power completely, and on full throttle it couldn't do 50 anymore, and on this downhill it basically hit just 60. Well, I've been very suspicious about that, so I decided to give it a try and to see what's wrong with the engine. So I took off the exhaust. I noticed exhaust is squeaky clean, and on exhaust port there's no carbon at all because of 100 octane and Castrol Power 1 Racing 2-stroke, which burned perfectly. It protected the engine as much as it could, but nothing's perfect because 2-stroke engines are lubricated with oil diluted in gasoline. It's not even close good lubrication like 4-stroke does, because they got crankcase with oil which sticks to cylinder wall, so it doesn't wear out that quickly. Only good thing is I got a bunch of recordings from before, and I'm gonna use them before I fix my scoot. And one good news is I ordered a new camera to record in 1080p 60. And basically that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new shit. And see you in my next video, guys. Bye.